What it do, everybody? It's your boy. Now, I've wanted to talk about this for a couple months now, but for the past year, TV and the internet have been overrun by a monstrosity. You see, there are certain classes of people in this world that should not be here, who should breed far, far, far away from here. Now, I don't go outside for obvious reasons like this, and this, but today I'd like to go a little in depth, you know, just people that nobody likes in general.
Evo, kupili smo se povodom 10. travnja, dana osnivanja nezavisne države Hrvatske, obilježiti taj dan i odat počast svima poginulima za Hrvatsku državu općenito, od njenog stvaranja do danas, a i buduće kako stvari stoje.
Oh wow, just kill me right now, please.
Nobody gives a shit.
This is a general thing that I think everyone can agree on. Kids on the internet that are clearly under the age of 10. Can I talk to your parents? Like, I want to talk to your parents and just ask them, what the fuck are you doing? I'm gonna call Child Protective Services.
A ko je tebi dao tu kartu?
Nije bitno.
Šta ti ta karta znači?
Znači, dida mi je nosio i ja.
Parents need to beat their fucking kids. Fucking wooden spoon, belts, smack, whatever. Let's take a look at this one.
A šta ona za tebe predstavlja?
Ona, Hrvata pravo, za vrijeme Jugoslavije, kad se sve prikrilo nas, tu, malo je ljudi onda znalo. Da vidim kap, daj, sekund.
Like, are these kids serious? Like, are they joking or are they for real? These kids make me want to shoot myself in the balls so I'll never have kids. I feel like giving myself a vasectomy, because if that's how kids end up, then I never want kids. Time to stop!
Neki kažu da je ovo zapravo jedan politički skup, da je ovo skup desne političke opcije. Šta mislite o tome?
A može i to biti, vidite na moje majice da je.
A gdje ste kupili tu majicu?
Ovo sam vam izvuka iz interneta pa sniša tu naprot u Splitu na Pazaru.
Ooh, we have a special snowflake! Hey, how about we stop that, huh? Let's just stop that. Like, that's the reason I'm awake at night. Time to stop! Ladies, I know this is hard to believe, but I'm single. You know, ladies, I'm looking for a nicer girl myself. The good kind. Bad attitude and no general goals or directions. I love it. Let me sniff that little pussy so I can smell all the failure. Time to stop!
I'm Michael Jordan. Stop it. Get some help.
Time to stop! I actually haven't seen this one before. This is... Like, this is the type of shit that makes you wake up in the morning and just... Oh. There's some cringy shit going on today.
Get him out. Yeah, get him out. Get him the hell out of here.
Wow, the cringe is so strong, it's like a bumper coat. Time to stop!
Sve što bi ja rekao o nezavisnoj državi Hrvatskoj jest to da je to bila jedna uređena država, objeručke prihvaćena od hrvatskog naroda.
Hell no, to the no, 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 hell to the no.
Time to stop!
Old people are the greatest. They're full of wisdom and experience.
U Jasenovcu niko nije poginuo.
Nobody thinks that.
Samo teroristi koji su rušili pruge i mostove. Pederi. Židovi su pomagali. Ja sam radio sa Židovima. U kojoj zemlji ima Židov? To nije nikakva zemlja. Nema goreg naroda. U kojoj zemlji ima Židov? To nije nikakva zemlja. Nema goreg naroda.
Holy fuck! Somebody call CNN! Do me a favor and twist your neck like this. And if you go far enough, everything will just become black. Stop. Time to stop! This is about the cringe. In the bigger picture, it's kind of patronizing because you're underestimating teens. Teens are gonna do whatever the fuck they want. I mean, look at this comment section right here. You can't stop idiots. Idiots are all over this world, and idiots are gonna do whatever the fuck they want. You cannot change their minds. You cannot.